Hello, I'm Anna Guest, registered dietitian with the Ohio Beef Council. Today we are featuring a bowl with balance with a Greek flair. This recipe combines lean strip steak, fresh vegetables, and quinoa to make a well-balanced meal. First, we're going to start with sauteing some vegetables. I've got a little bit of olive oil warmed up in a pan, and I'm going to add our zucchini and peppers directly to it. While the vegetables are cooking, we're going to go ahead and start our steak. While our vegetables and steak are cooking, we're going to make a simple tzatziki sauce. I've got some non-fat plain Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and salt. Once that's combined, we're going to add 1/4 cup of diced cucumber. So the base of this bowl has quinoa, but you could use any other grain that you have on hand, like rice. You could even use roasted sweet potatoes for kind of a variety of color and a different flavor profile. But with the quinoa, we are going to add a little bit of lemon juice and some parsley. This would also be really good with orzo. Our steak has cooked to 145 degrees and we've let it rest for 5 minutes. Now we're going to cut it into thin slices. And now it's time to assemble our bowls. I'm going to start with the quinoa as our base and then add our sauteed vegetables. And then I'm going to top with some steak. And then we're going to garnish the bowl however we like. So this is a really customizable step. You can add whatever toppings fit your palate or your taste. So we've got some more cucumbers, sliced Greek olives, feta cheese, and of course, we're going to add our homemade tzatziki sauce as well. And then a little bit of parsley for additional garnish. Find this recipe and other balanced bowl recipes at ohiobeef.org.